and welcome back to Gapey's Garden. These are all of my extra vegetable and flower starts, and these are all going up for sale. I've already sold a few and lots more are on reserve. So all these on the bottom here, those are all reserved for people that prepaid. And I'm only doing prepayment for reservations this year because last year I had a lot of no-shows, so that should avoid any no-shows that happen. So I have some echinacea. This is a white variety, and I also have a magenta. So those are all these starts were started from seed. And then back here I have some Swiss chard. It's still pretty small, so I'm not sure if I'll actually sell them until they get a little bit bigger. And then I have two varieties of eggplant, Cookstown Orange and Listada di Gandia. Two kind of unique varieties. One is orange, and I think the other one is also orange. And then these are some onions that I have left over, and a couple basils, and I have more basil in the greenhouse for sale. And then these are my tomatoes. I've been selling a lot of those. I've already sold all my peppers, and then I have a few tomatillos left as well. And all my starts are going for $1 except for the tomatillos, tomatoes, and peppers. Those are all $3 and $4. And I have one finale fennel. I just planted these last night in the garden, and I had one left. So I'll be selling that for $1 as well. And let's take a look in the greenhouse where I have more. I have some red romaine, and this is a kaleon, which is a type of kale. And these two kales back here, I think they're kind of a Russian variety or something. Those were volunteers that I just pulled out and potted up because I didn't want them growing where they're growing. So I'm going to be selling those. These are a couple of late started tomatoes. I have a green grape and also some pink bumblebee. And we have integro cabbage, which is a red variety, and some scarlet kale. And then lots of cucumbers. I have, I think, four or five different varieties of cucumbers. And I have a couple of winter squashes left. Those seem to sell out pretty quickly. And we have a few melons. And then the rest of these are all flowers. So I have some shungiku, which is an edible chrysanthemum flower. And we have marigolds, columbines, heliopsis down there, and we've got some zinnias, dwarf stalks, and this is popalo. It's supposed to taste similar to cilantro, but it's good. It does well in the heat, so that's a new one for me to try this year. And I have one pepper left, but that one is reserved for somebody, so it's actually sold. And then here's my basils, or the rest of the basils, and I'm going to be selling these in 4 packs for $3. And there's, I think, about 5 or 6 different varieties here. And then everything on the right side of the greenhouse are all my starts that I just haven't gotten in the ground yet. And these are actually radishes here that are just about ready to pick. But yeah, I have a lot of planting to do. And the peppers are going to be going in the greenhouse hopefully this weekend. I finished pulling out the mustard on this side, so all that's left is just a bunch of overgrown cilantro. So I'll probably be pulling a lot of that out as well. And those are the starts that are for sale. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys again soon.